me, sir?
Oh yes, we need you to infiltrate a completely random military base and assassinate this target.
Okay, sir. Be on my way.
No, I don't think so. I need you to use this Nerf gun.
What?
What?
No, what? No,
No, you're gonna use this Nerf gun. You're gonna like it. No,
I'm gonna die if I
don't care
use
what
that.
you're saying. Just,
Okay,
here,
but
take,
whatever.
no, just take the Nerf gun. Here.
Yeah, I copy. Excuse me, you're gonna have to speak a little bit more clearly. I can't understand a word you're saying.
Arriving at destination. Landing sequence in 900 hours.
Okay, yeah, that's better. I could understand you that time. Over and out. Bye-bye.
Hey, why do you think the captain made us dress the same? It just doesn't make any sense. Well, I'm not sure exactly. What? What the heck was that? Why should I even be guarding here? Like, it's supposed to be secret. Why would there even be a guard here where it's supposed to be secret? Then people will know that I'm guarding something. There should be a guard inside, you know, so if they come in, you can instantly just kill them. Hey, who are you?
Yeah, stop. Power.
Hey, what was that? I know who did that. That was the assassin. He's after me. Guard! Come quick! I got you. Oh my god, did you see that? What is double assassin? You thought you could defeat me.
Hey.
What?
This is the first time I've ever actually talked to a camera.
So, excuse me if I'm acting like an idiot right now.
So there was my video, there was my Nerf war. My first Nerf war like ever that I've ever made. Other than I guess the
Super Ninja Nerf Sword Battle 1 and 2.
the only reason I use Nerf swords is because we don't have any other swords at our house.
Why I made a Nerf video and I've never made Nerf videos.
I guess I was just kind of trying it, and I think I might enter like a contest, like
CAF 29, something like that.
and some of the special effects weren't as good as they could have been because I wasn't using Adobe After Effects. Okay, I think this has gone on long enough. I don't want to be stupid and whatnot. Bye.